Hello Septiana, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too. I'd like to have a little discussion with you about the economy.
Interesting. What are we going to discuss?
Nowadays, many big countries are no longer dependent on the manufacturing sector, such as the US, Korea, etc. They are now developing the entertainment industry to form a new circulation in entertainment, consumption, such as music, etc. This has resulted in the declining of manufacturing. Do you think this is also happening in Indonesia? And why are many people worried about this?
Indonesia has not yet entered the industry pattern because looking at the people's per capita income, we are still focusing on primary and secondary consumption that does not focus too much on the entertainment sector. People might worry about the decline of manufacturing if their country is still dependent on primary consumption. What other things do you think are just as important as the production of goods?
Well, I think the things that are just as important as production are the expansion of the employment, the increase in production of SMEs, and the improvement of human research. That way, we can increase economic growth and make the manufacturing sector equitable in consumption needs. If the distribution is good and consumption is fluid, we can switch to other sector without worrying about the fulfillment of consumption, production, and utilization of our natural resource. Then, do you think people should be worried about the decline of this manufacture?
Well, I think if the decline happens in developed countries, there is nothing to worry about because their manufacturing, consumption, and labor utilization needs are good. But if it happens in Indonesia, our economy is not ready. Our primary consumption needs have not been evenly distributed and met. Our production and manufacturing have not reached all regions in Indonesia. Utilization of the entertainment industry is also good for potential areas such as Bali and Lake Toba, as long as it supports the improvement of the manufacturing sector and does not cause degradation to the industry.
Thank you, Septi. It was a pleasure discussing with you.
You're welcome to have a great day, Felix.